Busy loving myself, putting me first. Now that I know I deserve more, I'm busy loving myself, putting me first. Made up my mind, I'm on my grind. My time to shine, you hit my line. I press decline, no time for that, I'm moving forward.
Again, you see I'm going around with my skinny drill bit to get up under my cuticles. I know it may seem like I should do that process first, but this is how I have to do mine, or how I like to do mine. I used to round one first, and then I use the skinny drill bit, and now I'm getting on any other excess of any dead skin, or remove any cuticles that needs excess cuticles that need to be removed. It's a process, but it's well worth it, and your hands will be feeling good, because I had all type of hang nails or skin that was on the sides of my nails that was hurting, and I did my best not to pick at it or bite it off. Any of you ladies bite off your skin that's on hanging from your nails, just let me know in the comments below. Do you do that? I do my best to try to prevent that. Sometimes it's easier said than done. And you see, as here's my nails now, how they are before I finish cleaning them up and then applying the nail treatment. And I'm using like a hand scrubber to clean my hands. Oh, this is another. Oh, so I'm cleaning my nails. Oh, okay. This after. That's garlic. That's the first one that I'm going to put on my nails. Yeah, I nipped myself, you guys. And then no. Yep, so there you go. Let me get out of here. Okay. And now I'm putting calcium on my nails. That's the second treatment. And now I'm going to put ridge filler to fill any ridges in my nails from the sanding and drilling and filing of my nail. I would like to say they turned out really nicely. Now you see me putting some cuticle oil on my nails. I felt really good after I did my nails. They looked really nice. You see my cuticles all cleaned up? So now that my nails is all clean, I'm really grateful that I took the time out to do the manicure. A manicure can make a huge difference with your nails. It makes you feel a little bit more confident in yourself, and get yourself ready for the day, for the week, or whatever you have to do. From here, you can either put some regular nail polish or some gel polish, or some top coat if you have top coat. I didn't put any top coat on. I just left it with the ridge filler. I thought it gave it a nice natural look, and it pretty much lasted for a while. It's so important to take care of yourself, ladies. My hands, they look a little bit rough, but I continue to be consistent with myself. And take your time, love on yourself. You are more important. And, put yourself first, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. Thank you for watching. See you next time.